In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a bank statement in Zoho Books according to our comprehensive 2020 fees for 25 guide. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the process quickly and effectively. Let's jump right in and get you proficient with what you need to know. To kick things off, we'll begin at the Zoho Books dashboard. The dashboard serves as your central hub within Zoho Books, a place where you can seamlessly access all the essential tools and features. As soon as you log in, you'll find yourself on this very helpful dashboard. It's essentially your launching pad for managing all your financial operations. Designed to offer a clear overview, it allows for quick access to the various functionalities you'll need to explore. With the dashboard open, our next focus is on the Documents section. The Documents tab is truly a vital component as it helps you maintain all your financial paperwork in one convenient location. Just take a look at that sidebar menu. The Documents option is right there. Clicking on it sets you well on your way to managing your financial records effectively. Within the Documents section, you'll find an option labeled Bank Statements. This is where the magic truly happens. Clicking here is a crucial step as it takes you directly to the specific area for managing and uploading your bank statements. This subsection has been meticulously crafted to streamline the handling of these vital bank documents with ease. Next, you'll notice a button labeled Enable Now. Clicking this button is pivotal as it activates the functionality that allows you to upload and link your bank statements, an essential step for ensuring your books remain accurate and seamlessly integrated with your existing data. So go ahead and enable it to move forward. Once you've enabled the feature, proceed by clicking on the highlighted area. Although this step may seem a bit subtle, it plays a crucial role in finalizing the entire upload process, confirming that your statement is correctly uploaded to the platform, and just like that, you've successfully uploaded a bank statement in Zoho Books. Remember, each of these steps is crafted to help you feel in control of your financial management system within Zoho Books. Whether you're adding a new skill to your routine or mastering this for the first time, it becomes straightforward once you're familiar with the navigation and functionalities Zoho offers. Now, with your bank statements uploaded and organized in Zoho Books, you're ready to embrace more streamlined financial management, minimize errors, and save valuable time. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to revisit it whenever you need a quick refresher, and don't hesitate to share it with others who'd benefit from these insights. Thank you for joining me, and happy organizing with Zoho Books.